Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch. Okay? And it's really easy and simple to do this. Make sure you watch the video to the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Monopoly Go app on your mobile, log into your account, and you want to go ahead and take note of your current position on the board. And you also want to go ahead and maximize your multiplier after that turn on airplane mode on your device. Then basically you continue playing. So you play, keep note, and then what you just need to do is quickly turn on airplane mode. Okay, keep playing. Just keep in mind, right, what rolls you're getting. Just keep that in mind. And then all you need to do, if you're happy with that, you can turn on airplane mode. But if you're not happy with that, what you can do is close the app. Okay. Go to your settings. And then you want to go ahead and click on app management. And then come click on app list. And then we will go ahead and go to Monopoly Go. Scroll down here and look for Monopoly Go. And click on storage and cache. I want you to clear the cache and then go ahead and turn off airplane mode and launch Monopoly Go again and go ahead. Okay, just really that easy and simple, and then you'll basically be reset to that same position. Okay, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing on that like button, as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.